With communication, it's like with breathing in and breathing out. So first, you need to breathe in to get the impulse from the outside world, read the signs from other people. And when the air, the oxygen is already inside of you, this is the moment for your super mindset to really assimilate what's going on and connect with yourself, read your intuition, connect with your heart, and give back, breathe out. And you can really breathe in a very beautiful way. So breathing in, breathing out, it can be a kind of meditation, a really deep connection with the world.
Communication is a two-way street, which means that sometimes we need to take things out, reading signs, feeling empathy, and also breathing out, projecting stuff out, like confident body language, your super mindset, being able to create unity together. That's actually both in and out. So it's important to be conscious that communication is a two-way street, because that helps to create effective communication and making an impact.